everyone, my name's Allie, and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. With the spring gardening season on the horizon, it's the perfect time to start thinking about what vegetables you want to grow in your garden this year. From dark leafy greens to root veggies, growing nutritious vegetables in your garden ensures you have a constant supply on hand, which means you're more likely to eat them and incorporate them into your diet. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite healthy vegetables that you can grow in containers. I'll be giving you the nutritional information along with a few growing tips, so let's go ahead and get started. The first healthy vegetable on my list is kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green. It's one of the most nutritious leafy greens that you can grow in your garden. From seed to harvest, it takes approximately 55 to 75 days to mature. And it thrives in full sun, which is 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day, but it can also tolerate partial sun, which is anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. You'll want to select a fairly large size container to grow kale, at least 12 to 18 inches wide by 10 inches deep for 1 to 2 plants. Kale is considered a nutrient powerhouse as it's rich in many vitamins. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, antioxidants, fiber, folate, and iron. Kale has many health benefits. Research has shown that regularly eating kale will lower your cholesterol, reduce the risk of heart disease, improve your digestion, and cardiovascular health. Research shows that the carotenoids found in leafy green vegetables like kale act as an antioxidant to boost your body's own defenses against cancer. Because of this, regular consumption of kale can prevent various cancers from forming. In particular, it significantly lowers the risk of colon, rectal, and breast cancer. It's extremely healthy and easy to grow, so I highly recommend you try growing kale in your spring container garden. Another healthy vegetable I love growing in my container garden every year is beets. Beets are delicious root veggies that grow beneath the soil, forming tender, juicy root bulbs with fresh, crisp leaves that are also edible. From seed to harvest, beets will take approximately 55 to 70 days to mature. You can grow beets in full sun to partial sun, ideally providing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day for good root development. I've grown mine in partial shade before, providing about 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily, but just keep in mind that this will cause smaller root bulbs to form. When selecting your container, opt for a fairly wide container that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep. The wider the container, the more beets you'll be able to grow at once. Packed with beneficial nutrients and antioxidants, beets are highly nutritious and provide several health benefits when consumed regularly. Beets are rich in antioxidants and contain nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, folate, potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Beets contain high amounts of betalains, which is what gives beets their vibrant color and is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the body and may reduce your risk of cancer. Regularly eating beets is also shown to lower blood pressure and reduce your risk of heart disease, along with improving your overall digestive health. Beets are typically ready for harvest when they reach 1 to 3 inches in diameter. It's actually better to harvest your beets when they are smaller. Smaller beets are considered better tasting than larger ones because they are sweeter and more tender. Don't forget to save and eat the edible greens from your beets as well. They are some of the most nutrient-rich greens you can grow, and they make a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and wraps. Next on my list of healthy vegetables to grow in containers is tomatoes. Often called a vegetable but botanically classified as a fruit, tomatoes are highly nutritious and one of my favorite plants to grow in my garden. There are so many different kinds of tomatoes you can grow in containers, from small and sweet cherry tomatoes to large and meaty beefsteak tomatoes. Depending on the type of tomato that you are growing, days to maturity will differ greatly from plant to plant. For the most part, tomatoes generally take between 60 to 100 days from seed to harvest, but some plants may take even longer than this. Tomatoes are sun-loving plants, which means they need plenty of direct sunlight to flourish and produce plenty of fruit. Grow your tomatoes in full sun, providing at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. As for their container size, the bigger the container, the better. Aim for a 5 to 10 gallon container that is at least 18 inches wide by 12 to 14 inches deep. Tomatoes need lots of water, so the bigger the container, the less often you're going to have to water your plants. Tomatoes are rich in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, folate, fiber, and antioxidants. Scientific studies show that a tomato-rich diet is associated with a diverse range of health benefits. It reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improves skin health, exercise recovery, and immune response. Tomatoes help to maintain a healthy gut microbiome, along with being rich in several phytochemicals that are believed to have anti-cancer properties. The best part is they are so rewarding to grow, providing you with an abundance of fresh, healthy tomatoes at your fingertips. Their juicy and flavorful fruits deliver a combination of sweetness and acidity that makes them a versatile choice for various recipes. Moving on to plant number 4, spinach is another nutrient-dense leafy green that is perfect for growing in pots or containers. Depending on the variety, spinach matures in approximately 30 to 55 days from seed to harvest. It grows best in full sun, which is at least 6 or more hours of sunlight per day, but spinach can also handle partial shade as long as it receives at least 4 hours of direct sunlight daily. Select a wide container that is at least 12 inches wide by 6 to 8 inches deep to plant your spinach. This dark leafy green is a fast-growing and low-maintenance plant that is extremely high in vitamins and minerals. Spinach contains essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, folate, potassium, and magnesium. Research shows that a diet rich in dark leafy greens like spinach is said to lower blood pressure, improve gut health, boost energy levels, and reduce inflammation in the body. Also, like kale, studies show that the carotenoids found in spinach help to prevent and slow the growth of many cancers. So overall, spinach is definitely one of those vegetables that you always want to be growing and eating to maintain a healthy diet. And last but not least, the final healthy vegetable on my list today is peas. Peas are high-producing plants that grow on long vines that can easily be trained to grow vertically up a trellis. Because of this, they are quite compact and they make a great addition to container gardens and small spaces. There are 3 main types of peas you can grow: shelling peas, snap peas, and snow peas. Depending on the variety, peas take approximately 50 to 70 days to reach maturity. The peas that I prefer to grow are snap or snow peas, which is what I'm showing you here. For container size, select a large container that is at least 12 to 14 inches wide and 10 to 12 inches deep. Peas are vining plants that like to climb, so install a tall trellis at planting time to provide additional support as they grow. For the best growth, plant peas in full sun, providing 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. While they can tolerate partial shade, peas will grow more vigorously in full sun and produce more pods. Peas contain vital nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, fiber, zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. On top of this, peas are high in protein, and they are a great source of plant-based protein, providing you with roughly 8 grams per cup. Peas have several health benefits when eaten regularly. They improve your digestive health and support weight management as they make you feel fuller longer. On top of this, they contain heart-healthy nutrients that are beneficial for your heart. They regulate blood sugar levels in the body and reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Well, that's it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the healthiest plants you can grow in your container garden. If you did, make sure to give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.